Atlas Copco's EMF rental and repair facility in Porte Texas offers many services. Discover an abundance of tools for any bolting application relating to production in the oil and gas and renewable energy industries, including hydraulic wrenches, hydraulic tensioners, impact wrenches, pneumatic nut runners, click wrenches, and various pumps and accessories. Here you have access to rentals, repairs, and calibration of tools commonly used for the oil and gas and renewable energy industries. Cover all your bases with tools fit for onshore and offshore construction, shutdowns, and maintenance. The EMF Workshop is ready to help you find the tools and solutions you need. You can trust that no matter the job, finding the appropriate tools will never be a challenge.